Hi everyone, thanks for joining this webinar today about survey tasks in Wordapp.com. My name is Jorn, I'm one of the co-founders of Wordapp.com, and today I'll be talking to you about the survey tasks. Survey tasks are the starting point for most freelancers who get started in Wordapp.com, so it's important to know how they work, why they are introduced, and how you make them a success. Today I'll be discussing those things. We'll go through it quite quickly, but if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Let's get started with why we introduce survey tasks. The big problem in Wordapp is that we don't always have tasks available for everyone. So by introducing survey tasks, there is a way bigger likelihood of you being able to take tasks. Also, with the survey tasks, you earn reward points. And with those reward points, we have a budget for training tasks where editors and elite Wordappers in our system can help you make sure that you can become a writer in Wordapp so that you can get introduced to writing tasks as well. To get survey tasks, the only thing you need to do is complete your profile. Make sure though that in your profile, you select the country where you are currently located. And once you do that and save your profile, in your tasks feed, you will see survey tasks show up. Survey tasks will not always be available, but new ones come in very, very regularly. And we are introducing new survey companies that we work with every single month to make sure more surveys become available in more tasks, in more countries, sorry. Countries that don't have very many surveys are there at the moment. We are trying to make that better, of course, but we don't control how many surveys come in. And we cannot assign you survey tasks by you asking for them in our chat, for example. So just keep an eye on the task feed. We'll email you automatically as well if you have your email settings set up in your notification center. So if there's new tasks available, you will get an email so that you can log in and check them out and start working on them. What is important about survey tasks is that in the beginning, you get screened out quite a lot. In your balance, so in your transaction list, you can see the reasons why you are being screened out. And if you click on the link of those reasons, you will go to a help page where you can actually see what it means. The majority of the reasons why people are screened out in the first surveys, and 80% of the screen outs, 80% of the times in the first 10 surveys, people are screened out, is simply because we don't have enough profile data at the survey client for you. Surveys are very often tailored to very specific types of people. These can include your gender, which device you use, what your exact location is in the country, your housing situation, your hobbies, your interests, your income, and all kinds of other things. We don't actually keep that data. All of the data is set at our survey client. That's why whenever you open a survey, there's always a couple of screening questions where they ask you this type of information. While you answer those will be stored in your survey profile so that your survey profile improves. But very often in the first surveys, you will be screened out simply because you don't fit the profile. After 10, 20, 30 surveys, you will see that it gets a whole lot better and that you will be able to complete more surveys because there is a better profile for you available for the client, so that they can only show you surveys that actually fit your profile. Another reason that we see is that some people try to use a VPN to mask their real location. For example, to get surveys in other countries where more surveys are available. Please note that all VPNs are blocked by the survey client. Again, we don't control that, but we do give a warning for you in the task feed. And you will not be able to complete surveys in other countries using a VPN. Simply update your profile country to the actual country that you are in, and you will see survey tasks there. One limitation is that if you are abroad and try to do surveys, the surveys will be in the local language of the country. There's again nothing we can do about that. We're trying to introduce more surveys, also surveys in other languages in other countries. But that is the current situation at the moment. If you do have problems with surveys where there's technical problems or things that are not actually working in the survey, or you get screened out very, very late, you can reach out to the survey client directly by following the link at the bottom of the list here, help.wordapp.com/report survey problems. And if you go to that link, there is a form where you can directly send a message to the survey client where they can help you solve the problem. Especially if you are screened out very late in the process, so they let you answer a lot of questions and you get screened out. You can actually have the survey approved after the fact by reaching out to the client through the link that is provided here. As I said, with the survey task, you earn reward points. There's two things at the moment that you can do with reward points. And first one is that you can actually withdraw your balance using the PayPal payment method in selected countries, where you can, instead of paying a transfer fee, you can pay with reward points. The second is that in more and more countries, we are introducing training tasks in your task feed, where selected coaches, and those are experienced freelancers and elite Wordappers, will check the quality of your text, and also if the language of your text is good, invite you to projects that are actually running for other clients or internally for us. So it's important that you write good text there. We have different courses available, among which writing in Wordapp that we run every 2-3 weeks. There are recordings of those available as well at wordapp.com/courses. So don't hesitate to check that out and see what is going on there. If you have any other questions, please check the transaction list, your balance. We are posting FAQ questions there as well, so that you can read the answers, so that you don't have to go through the chat. Usually the chat, it takes about 24 hours for us to respond. So it is way faster to go through the help website and actually see the answers there. That's it for now. Thank you so much for joining. And I hope to see you guys in any other courses soon again. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.